Want to turn the page?
Rolling.
What does the page say?
Next question. So, the dream is dead?
Yeah.
Really?
Dead, 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 dead. What else does it say? A lot.
There's a lot.
So start the first thing. That's your job, Edwin. Are you effing up your job?
So you thought the dream was dead? Was it really dead?
I did. I thought the dream was dead. I'm driving a truck.
And you've had this dream for 10 years.
I'm driving a truck. Right?
So what is it about flipping houses?
Oh, flipping houses is gone.
That's gone. So that idea is gone.
So I'm driving a truck.
So tell me about
Hold on. Okay, so let's go back to flipping houses.
Flipping houses.
Flipping houses when we just got started.
Yeah.
20 years ago, or 18 years ago, maybe. Adjust to get a better picture.
Yeah, fine.
There was no such thing as reality TV.
Yes, that's
in
true.
the States.
I know, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
The first reality TV show was MTV The Real World.
Right.
And I was fixated. Okay? I was like, oh my God, this is cool.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? So I'm thinking about MTV Real World, right? And I'm rehabbing houses at the same time. This is back in the first house.
Yeah.
Okay, we're back at the first house. So I'm rehabbing houses, I'm watching MTV Real World, and I'm telling to myself, this would make a really cool show.
Yeah.
If I filmed rehabbing this house.
Yeah.
You know, because you could see like the first piece of shit house that we bought, you know, and how bad it was. And then I come in and demo it.
Yeah.
Right? And then, so they show the demo, then they show like the planning of new walls here or there. And like, I was like, damn, this is a really, really cool show. And I told my mom this idea. And so I'm back at truck driving and I'm sweeping out my damn trailer and I'm thinking about, I missed the boat on the reality show on rehabbing the houses.
Yeah.
Right? But I'm also thinking about my dream of opening up a brewery. Right?
Yeah.
So I'm like, so I'm like, oh my God, I could create a show about opening a brewery.
Yeah.
In the island.
Yeah.
When I was sweeping out my trailer.
Yeah.
I got really effing excited, man.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh my God, my dream is back alive.
Yes.
I could create a show about doing a brewery in goddamn island.
Yeah.
So I'm like, the dream is alive. It was dead, 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 dead. Now it's alive.
So now you have plan C.
So now I'm on plan C. Plan A was invention. Plan B was restaurant.
Yeah.
Plan C is, okay, now I gotta like try to figure out to contact a production company and tell them my idea. So what's under plan C?
Well, let's say I found a production company. Some problems. 4 problems. Number 1, money in advance.
Okay.
Go
all
on.
right.
Take it from here.
I'm with you on that one, Ed. Okay, so I'm like, I got an idea. I'm trying to like, I'm an addict of reality shows by this time. Okay, I'm looking at like Gold Rush and American Pickers and all the reality.
Yes.
But Gold Rush was really, and then there was Gold Dreams where they went to Africa. So I'm like trying to find all those cool production companies' names
Yeah.
and looking them up. And so I'm trying to like see how I could get the right person to pitch my idea for this show.
Yeah.
But then I start thinking about it, okay? And I'm like, okay, let's just say I got a good production company
Okay.
to say, this is a cool idea there.
Yeah.
Okay? We like it, but in capital letters, okay? I need to support my family. I can't like take 2 months or 1 month or 2 months with no pay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to try and negotiate, like, can you pay me a little up front? You know, it's like sketchy right off the bat. Yeah, we like your idea, but we're gonna give you money up front, you know?
Yeah.
Also, we've got contracts, right? What does it say on the sheet?
Contracts and legal stuff. Lawyers.
Yes, I'm gonna have to get a lawyer, they're gonna have to get a lawyer.
Yeah.
Paperwork, right?
Yeah.
Let's say red tape.
Lots of, which we say, bureaucracy.
Red tape, oh, you say bureaucracy in
Yeah,
England?
yeah.
We say red tape in the
Yes,
States,
yeah.
man. A lot of red tape. What's the next one?
So
then?
you.
Red tape or,
No, it's tell me about the losing the creative rights.
yes.
So
That's
what-
another one.
So what are they?
Okay, so you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Like, let's say there's a big producer that loves my idea
Yeah.
and comes over here and
Yeah.
be like, oh no, I don't, you need to go there and you need to go
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
And I'm like, no, I don't want to go there, you know? I want to do this.
So you're losing some freedom.
I'm losing my
You're
creative,
losing control.
I'm losing control, my idea,
Yeah.
you know?
You're kind of giving it away. Yeah.
Exactly. I want my right.
Of course.
It's my idea, you know? And I know what the next one is. Causing, okay, let's say let's say a big production company commits and they come in full force. They got a cameraman here, a mic, big production.
Yeah.
That is not me, Edwin.
Right.
I am not that kind of person, man. I am a low,
Yeah.
and we don't want that commotion.
Right.
So like I'm thinking about it and I'm talking myself out of it. Even though I don't even have a production company,
Yeah.
you know? I'm like talking myself out of it saying,
So where
Okay.
is the dream going now?
well, I mean,
Is it dying?
it's slowly dying. I mean,
Oh fuck.
that's all right.
Question.
No, you can say swear words on YouTube. It's great.
So next question, number 6. What happened if the dream is dead?
I know what happened.
What happened?
I know what happened.
What
I was
happened?
driving,
Okay.
as you said.
Yeah. So you're driving.
I was driving,
you're
and
thinking
of course, I listened to the BBC,
to the radio.
public broadcast system,
Okay.
right?
Yep.
And this is, I don't know, 10 years ago. So there's a big point in internet history where YouTube was not owned by Google,
Yep. Yep.
and people were creating little videos, like 1 or 2 videos
Yep.
that like went viral.
Yes.
Okay, and so
Right.
everybody was like, ooh, that video went viral, I'm gonna make another video
Yeah.
that went viral,
Yeah.
and stuff like that. It was only one,
Yeah.
okay? So this woman, okay, so I hear a story on the radio about a woman that has created, she's like my idol, okay? She is my idol.
Yeah.
She saw the craze, right?
Yeah.
She saw the YouTube craze. She thought to herself, who loves to watch YouTube? Well, kids
Yeah.
love to watch YouTube, okay? I'm gonna blow your mind on this one, Ed.
Go on.
You probably don't even know this.
Tell me.
Kids love to watch YouTube.
Yes.
What else do kids love to do? They love to open up presents,
Yes. Yes.
right?
Okay.
And Christmas.
Yeah.
So she makes videos of her opening up presents.
Wow. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
She makes like 20 of them or
Right.
40 of them. And the kids don't just watch them, they watch them over and over and over again with the ads going.
Right. Yeah.
Oh my God.
She makes a fortune.
That woman, okay, so that's a BBC interview.
Yeah.
The interviewer is like
Yeah.
telling the whole story,
Yep.
you know? And he's like, so how much money did you make? She's like, I'm not going to tell you on the radio.
No.
So the interview ends. Okay, thanks, this was really cool. But the story doesn't end.
Yeah.
They keep it going on the radio.
Yeah.
They're like, well, we've done our research, okay? We know how many videos she's put out. We know how many hits she's had.
Yeah.
We know like she's made 2 or 3 cents
Yeah.
on every hit.
Yeah.
She's made well over $2 million on her videos.
Wow.
Okay, because
Yeah.
she's got 20. She doesn't have one.
Yeah.
Like they used to do, like, oh, the funny
Yeah.
woman in the car laughing.
Yeah.
No, she's got 20.
Wow.
And kids watch them over and over again.
Wow.
So,
She's hit it real good.
I'm listening to this.
Yeah.
The story ends. The story ends. My mind is going.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh my God.
Yeah.
I could do my dream. I could do my show myself
Yes.
on YouTube, mother effer. Right?
Yeah.
I thought of it. The dream is alive. The dream is alive.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
This is it. Yeah.
I'm like, oh my God. It's like fate that I heard that story, you know?
Yeah.
And I'm like, it checks all the boxes. Go back. What are the 4 problems? Go back to see what the 4 problems are. Remember, just back 1. What's the first one?
Money in advance.
Money in advance. I have to take a 6-day vacation.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, paid vacation, and come up here and just start filming, right?
Yep.
I don't have to 2, 3 people. Oh, well, that's jumping ahead.
Yeah.
So what's the next one?
The contracts, the legal stuff.
There is none.
No.
There is none.
You don't.
Forget all that crap.
Creative rights to the show.
There is none.
You have them.
I am.
Make a big screen, big scene while you're shooting.
Yes. Me, my partner, 3 guys walking around the island. No one's gonna care.
No. Wow.
It's like mellow, right?
The dream is alive.
Am I blowing your mind, Ed?
It's growing and growing. This is like a volcano building pressure.
He didn't know my story, and now he does.
Uh-huh. So, can we look at question 7?
Hold on. I think
Okay.
we should stop. Just press stop. I'll press stop.